Hello friends, today we will learn how to use Testimonial Slider with Elementor add-on. For this, at the very beginning, you must install and activate the Elementor free version. Then we will go to the page to add a new page. Here, set your title like Testimonial with Elementor add-on. Now click on top, named Edit with Elementor, and get an interface of it. You will get 3 testimonial layout named Grid, Slider, Isotope layout. Drag slider layout and drop it down. There are 10 pre-made layouts for slider. Try them one by one. You can use which is perfect for you. Now go for the slider settings. You can change if you want. You can additionally customize the content limit as well as content visibility. You can turn on or turn off the option if you want to show or hide from the testimonials, like author image, text, designation, company name, its ratings, and etc. Now let's edit for style and advanced. In this style, you can change the background type, its color from the color picker. For the next, now select the testimonial grid layout, drag it and drop it down. You will get 11 variations in this layout. Try the preview first and select what you like. Now click on the plus icon for the heading. Add your heading title here. For example, Grid View. Click on Update to save and go to the page to have a look. Now let's customize the columns. Select the number of columns to show per row. For query settings, you can include or exclude the testimonials, which means the author. For categories and tags, you can filter based on categories, tag, and many more options. For image, choose yourself. For the content visibility, you can do similar customization like previous to enable or disable the option. Now let's try the testimonial isotope layout with its 6 layouts variation. Click on plus icon above for its heading. So add the heading text here like isotope view. Then click on update to save and view the page. This is all about the uses of Testimonial Slider with Elementor add-on. Thank you for watching this tutorial today.